Is your Can-Am a 2017 to like 2023, 24? Well, you should probably pay attention to this because my Canam X3 is a 2018 and I have never changed the coolant. It's time to change the coolant. I was supposed to do it a few years ago. You probably are supposed to change the coolant as well. It's very easy. And so what I did was I decided to take apart the entire front end to show you how to change the coolant. No, I didn't. I have the front end off for other reasons, but it sounds like a great time to change the coolant. So, let's get into it. Ooh. This is the lower radiator hose on the front end, and I'm gonna pop this off. First thing is make sure I have a 5-gallon bucket. Give me that bad dog right there. My whole front end is loose right now. Everything on it, so I'm gonna support the radiator underneath. Now I'm gonna run a pick around it just to make sure that it's broken the seal on it. Do this gently. All right. It is going to make a little bit of a mess. What can you expect? All right. Support the radiator because it's free floating on mine right now. Not exact, but not terrible. Now it's draining slowly because it's at the wrong angle. I haven't changed this coolant since I bought it in 2018, so it's time. It's way more than time. You should change it more often. When my coolant had all drained out, what I did was I went to the overflow there and I blew in it and it pushed a bunch of fluid out. That was what I expected would happen. So that's just something you can try. I had lowered the front end because I got my front wheels off, so I didn't elevate the back. But I did that and I got some fluid out. I got about 1.25 gallons out of it. You're never gonna get everything. And I didn't have a problem, so I'm not gonna flush it. I'm not gonna put more coolant in and then run it and then dump it out. I'm okay with just exchanging the amount that I got out. So it holds 1.68 gallons. I got out probably 1.25 gallons. That's fine for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it now. And when replacing fluid, what they say the big thing is go color for color. Orange is the OAT, so that's what I'm replacing it with, is orange OAT. I'm using this Prestone DexCool. I'm not going and spending the $10 a quart on the BRP fluid. I'm going with Prestone, and I'm just gonna do it. Cap it, start it. And in the middle of doing your coolant, I have a dad joke for you. What is a shark's favorite saying? Man overboard. I ran the motor for a bit to get the thermostat to pop open and the fan to turn on. It let some coolant out. Now I'm gonna let that cool off, put some coolant back in it, and do that again. I'm gonna do that about 3 times. And so as you can see, it is now dark out, but we cycled it 4 times, and we'd cycle it, let it cool, cycle it, let it cool, meaning idle it and I'd fluctuate the gas and heat it up so that the thermostat would release, air bubbles would come to the top, and then it would drop back down, coolant level would drop back down, shut it off, fill it back up, coolant level would drop down, shut it back off. So we repeated that process 4 times. And now we're holding fast, and I know you can't see it, but we're at a good place in the reservoir there, the overfill bottle, and everything looks good. So I'm excited. I haven't done this yet, so process was easy. You can do it, no problem. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you tune in to our next adventure, and we'll see you on your next adventure.